There's a tiny station at the edge of town where quiet little tears drip, drip to the ground. But when they hit the tracks with the shimmery click, a magic train whispers quick, pick, pick. Who's that crying by the broken toy? A little sad girl, a quiet boy. A shiny tear falls with a plip, plip, plip. The rail lights up with a golden strip. Whose tear is that? Why does it glow? Where will that little ticket go? Down the tracks with a zoom so quick. Wakes up a train with a click, click, click. Eyes like lanterns, wheels so bright. He rolls through shadows into light. Show me your feelings, don't pretend. Every sad little tear can become a friend. Tears into tickets, up they fly. Glow on the tracks, light up the sky. Hop on the train, bring how you feel. We turn your heart into shining steel. Who's coming on the feelings train? Me again. What do we bring, our smiles or fears? Both our giggles and our tears. Ha, 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 ha. Tim grabs Zoey by the hand. Did you see that glowing sand? Tickets float so warm and bright, pointing to the train of light. I lost my balloon, I'm scared at night. I fought with my brother, it didn't feel right. Bring it aboard, don't hide your cries. We'll turn them into brave replies. Step in the car with starry ceiling. Soft little drums beat out your feeling. Who here scared of dark? Be true. I am, me too. When it's dark, what can you say? I am brave in every way. Brave hearts beating, boom, boom, boom. Courage car is in the room. Next is a car with pillows and hearts, perfect for fixing the sorry parts. Who had a fight and feels not right? We did last night. What do you wish that you had said? I wish I said sorry instead. Sorry is a ticket that opens up the door. Hurt steps out, love walks in more. Sorry is a ticket, love walks in more. Now we enter the giggle car with bouncing seats and laughs that soar. Show me your grumpy, scrunched up face. Now shake it off in your whole body space. Harden that frown to a ticket so bright. Giggle it out.